Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean. Before you, the waves crash with rhythmic power, a mix of beauty and danger. This ocean is your journey into trading, where risk and reward dance like wind and water, inseparable in their ceaseless tide. The first question many beginners ask is, how do I navigate these waters without sinking? Understanding the balance of risk and reward is your compass, a guide to staying afloat and moving forward. Let's start with something simple. Have you ever been at a theme park, looking at a roller coaster, and feeling that mix of excitement and fear? That's where every new trader begins. The roller coaster is risky. It climbs steep, plummets fast, twists and turns. But the reward is the thrill, the exhilaration of the ride. Trading is similar. The markets are unpredictable, full of highs and lows. Your challenge is not just to survive the ride, but to enjoy and benefit from it. Now, risk in trading is much like risk in life. It's about uncertainty and the possibility of losing something valuable. The crucial point is not to eliminate risk, which is impossible, but to manage it effectively. Think of a tightrope walker. Their goal is to perform breathtaking feats while ensuring every step is steady and safe. They don't avoid the risk but prepare for it with precision. In trading, managing risk means having a strategy. Say you're investing in stocks. A smart approach is diversification, spreading your investments across different sectors or asset classes. This way, if one investment dips, others might rise, balancing your overall performance. It's like having a backup generator when the main power goes out. You won't be left in the dark. Here's a personal story for you. When I first started trading, I was caught in a classic trap: greed. I saw a stock skyrocketing and jumped in without a second thought, seduced by the potential gains. But what I failed to realize was that the higher the stock soared, the greater the risk of a steep fall. And fall it did. I learned that chasing profits blindly is like trying to catch a shadow, always just out of reach. That experience taught me about the importance of risk management to protect against the unpredictable storms in trading. Let's dive a bit deeper into the psychology of trading, which is as vital as any technical analysis. Our brains are wired in fascinating ways. We react more strongly to losses than to gains, a phenomenon known as loss aversion. This can lead to fear-based decisions like selling at the first sign of trouble. But remember the wise words of Warren Buffett: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Trading requires emotional discipline, the ability to stay calm and rational amidst market chaos. Also, consider the concept of asymmetrical risk and reward. Picture a seesaw. On one side is risk, on the other is reward. The goal is to find opportunities where the seesaw tips in your favor, where the potential reward outweighs the risk. For instance, options trading can offer such opportunities, allowing you to leverage a relatively small investment for a potentially larger gain, though with its own set of complexities and risks. We often hear the phrase, high risk, high reward, but it's crucial to remember that not all risk leads to reward. Sometimes it's just high risk. Smart traders know when to take calculated risks and when to hold back, much like an experienced sailor who knows when to set sail and when to seek shelter. Long-term wealth building in trading isn't about chasing quick wins, but about steady, informed decisions and growth over time. It's like planting a tree. You don't frantically try to pull it up by the roots to make it grow quicker. Instead, you water it, tend to it, and let it grow at its own pace. Consistent, thoughtful trading, like nurturing that tree, can lead to a flourishing portfolio. As we wrap up, let's reflect on this idea. Trading, much like life, is a series of bets on ourselves, on our judgments, on our ability to weather storms and seize opportunities. Every trade is a chance to learn, whether it leads to profit or loss. Embrace each experience as a step on your path, balancing the seesaw of risk and reward, and you'll find that even the most daunting waves can be navigated with confidence and resilience. Trading is not just a skill, but an art, a constant dance with the ebb and flow of the financial seas. And with the right mindset, you'll not only stay afloat, but set sail towards your financial goals.